Oh, hey, sexy, how are you? So, hey guys, today I am changing just a small little upgrade on my Harley. I just ordered some, didn't need them, but I wanted them. So I ordered some flame mirrors, teardrop flame mirrors for my Harley. So I am going to change my mirrors out today. That's my plan. Put that bad boy over here and put the other one on this side. Hopefully it's easy enough install. It looks like it's just one bolt, so I shouldn't have any issues with it. But yeah, this will go here in place of the old one. So it'll look kind of like that. Get my here. There we go. So it will look something like this when it's done. And the old mirror, which is there, will be gone. And in place of it will be this one. I don't know why, I just like the design of these flames and thought I would try them. I love the teardrop. It's about the same, no, it's a little bit less viewing distance. Show you here. It's a little bit less viewing space looking into the mirror on that one and then looking into the mirror on this one. This one is wide all across and this one has, see, that's wide all across and this one has limited, looks like limited viewing on the right hand side of the mirror, but the left hand side is still plenty wide. So I'm going to try it, see what I think about it. But yeah, so that's kind of the goal of this video today, is to get these two things changed out, and I'm hoping it's should be a super easy install. All right, so to start, using a number 13 wrench, it fits nicely. It's going to kind of go up under here. There's no wires or anything connected to this. You can buy mirrors that have turn signals on them and they have wiring through them. That's not this. I'm still going from, this is my stock mirror, going from my stock mirror to basically just a nicer looking version of it. So just loosen it up here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? There we go. Just kind of loosen it up. Paying attention to the bottom. So I don't see any, you see it pops right out. Oh, there was a washer. I did fill a washer. I didn't see it, but I felt it hit the ground. I heard something. Felt like it was, I didn't see it though. So I think it's on this side here, but because I didn't see anything on this side. Now I know the new mirror does come with the washer. Okay, it's got the screw here on the bottom, but it's also got a washer there. So I'm going to look at this and see what I need to do. Okay, so definitely got lots of, see, this looks like it's got spacers or something in it. It didn't come with instructions, which is unfortunate. So it does have a little washer here, and it has another bigger washer here. And it has another, it looks like a small spacer piece, set that there. And it's got another spacer there, and then another washer. So my existing hardware had nothing. All it had was the threads and this plugging into it. So I'm going to try that first and see if that's going to work. Okay, let me get my wrench. Where did I put it? On my seat. I need a different wrench. The wrench is too big for the new one I got. So pulling out another wrench. Yeah, this one's right. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm glad I didn't hit my motorcycle. Hang on to your wrench, folks. And if you do have to drop it away from your motorcycle. All right, so. All right, so it feels nice and tight. Let me get on my motorcycle, stand it up. And I think that needs to come out more. There we go. I don't want that to be in the way of my cup holder here. All right. I like the pointy edges of it. I believe that's about right, and that was very simple. So it was one bolt, one screw, and that has changed. Let me go to the front and look at it. So from the front, that's what it looks like now. Okay, again, it was just one bolt. Wasn't that difficult. I didn't need to use any of the spacers. All of those are spacers, except for the washers, but there are two spacers there divided by the washers. I didn't need any spacers. You see it fits nicely there, and the bolt underneath there just tightened up nicely. There it is. Yeah, there it is. So yeah, let me get this plastic off of here. That's what it looks like. Sleek, flamey, and from the front, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to keep my original mirrors, of course, just in case I end up not liking them. But I want to do the exact same thing over here on this side now. I'll be back. All right, so the second side, I've already taken out the stock mirror. And now I'm putting the other mirror back in, the new mirror. And again, I'm going to just get rid of the spacers and the washer that came with it. Well, not get rid of them, but kind of put them aside. I won't be using them right now. And then I will get the other mirror installed. All right. And again, it's just a simple matter of dropping it in and putting the bolt in, or putting the screw in, tightening it up. And make sure it's even there. All right, nice and tight. So, one thing I didn't show you, because I didn't realize it until after I'd already installed the first one. So let me move this. Setting back on my motorcycle here. So now you see the second one there. Second mirror. Let me stand it up. So that's what it looks like. One thing I forgot to mention about these particular mirrors is in order to move them in and out, there's little balls here at the end, and you can just kind of move them in and out like this, you see? So I can adjust them. So this is firm and steel, and then I can move the mirror in and out as I need to ensure proper placement. So now if it's too far out, then I might have to loosen it up and pull these in a little bit. Looks like that I already had to do it there. Oh, I can go up with them as well. That helps. There we go. That's nice. So now I can, this is not in my way, the cup holder. I was able to turn this upward some, and now I can see out of that as well on both sides. Let me tweak that up as well here. There we go. So that's what they look like installed. It was a very easy job. It was literally, video is probably longer than it actually took because I like yapping, but took probably 5 minutes total. Take one bolt out, put one bolt in, or take one mirror out, put one mirror in. Literally pop it in, pop it out. So this is definitely, as far as jobs go, this is an easy one. So I kind of like the way that looks. I'm going to try it out for a while, and I'll keep the original equipment just in case I change my mind. But so far I like it. I'm gonna have to get some miles under it to see if the wind is gonna impact it or not. But right now, I don't know about you guys, but I like it. I like the teardrop effect, and I like the flames in the back. There we go. So that's it. That's all I've got. Thanks for joining, and I will, before I get this video posted, I will add a screenshot of the Amazon actual parts that I ordered, because this came with absolutely nothing as far as paperwork in it. It just came with the 2 mirrors in the box. And as I'm riding and I discover whether I actually like them or not, if they're going to be good for the wind, which is what I most worry about, if the wind is not going to be pushing them back, moving them around. If it does, I will let you know. But anyway, folks, have a good day. If you like, subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified of future videos I make. Have a wonderful day. Dirk out. All right, hey guys. So I finished installing the mirrors. I looked at it. I didn't think it looked right, but I'm not fast in the head. I'm slow in the head. I've never been accused of being fast. So I went and watched, looked at the pictures of what I purchased, and the reason it didn't look right to me was because now you look at it, doesn't that look a hell of a lot better? The mirrors were turned in this way, and of course they didn't look right. So I was supposed to turn the mirrors out, and now the teardrops look better because now I see the entire mirror plus the frame. And if you look at it from the front, it looks a lot better too. Doesn't that look hella good? Using the young kids lingo now. So that looks really nice. So anyway, I just wanted to make another quick video just to show you what it's supposed to look like if you do it right. So let's see if I can get a good shot of it from this angle. So that's kind of what they look like after installed. So there's that one, and there's that one. Kind of the lawnmowers blocking the view there, but together they look, I think they look really good. So yeah, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the install. Super quick and easy. One bolt, take it in and out, take the old one out, pop the new one in, install it, and you're good to go. I might push these, the flame bars there, push these here. I may need to bring it in or out. I haven't ridden it yet since I've installed it, so I'm sure I'm gonna need to do some minor tweaking once I'm actually on the motorcycle riding. So yeah, I'll take care of that. But I really like the look now that I have them on there. I love it. So that's it, folks. Have a good one. And again, I'll put the link to what I purchased for these mirrors. But one more thing checked off my list for things to get put on my motorcycle. Take it easy. Dirk out.